Hi class, let's take a look at example 3. Now example 3, it's basically asking for a specific type of test, and in this case the integral test. And let me just go back to the integral test, but this is basically what it says. So you have to have a function that is continuous, it is decreasing, and basically if you were to evaluate the integral from a specific n value to infinity, and if that happens to converge to a number, then both the actual, well, in this case we're interested on the series, it's going to converge or diverge depending on the value of, well, this actual integral that we're evaluating. So we basically substitute the actual sequence for the series with the function. So let me explain how it will work on this particular one. So they want us to basically use the integral test. So in this case, you technically have to let your function f of x be, so your function f of x be 1 over x, and the main requirements are that it is a continuous function and it's basically decreasing on the open interval, or in this case from x is equal to 1 to infinity. This is just the portion that we're interested on, but that would be it. So you can simply just state that f of x is technically continuous, and then f of x is decreasing. Okay, and here's the idea on the integral test. So for this particular problem, the integral test it's basically going to be equivalent to the following. So we're going to be integrating from 1 to infinity of technically f of x dx, which technically is going to be well, the integral from 1 to infinity of 1 over x dx, which is equal to the actual limit as t approaches infinity of 1 to t of dx over x, which is equivalent to the limit as t approaches infinity of the ln of x evaluated from 1 to technically t. And then from here, let me just move the problem at this. So we're looking at this is equivalent to the actual limit as t approaches infinity of the ln of t minus the ln of 1. And let me just well, justify that the ln of 1 is equal to 0. Therefore, this value is going to equal to 0. Let me provide a sketch for the ln function. And our ln function is actually going in this direction. So this is, well, f of t is equal to the ln of t. So in this case, for this particular one, our main conclusion is that it's going to diverge. And therefore, as our main conclusion is our main conclusion is that the actual sum of n is equal to 1 to infinity of 1 over n also diverges by the integral test. And then your justification is that, well, the integral, let me actually our justification is that, well, the integral of the function diverges. The main idea is that if it converges, then both converge. In this case, it diverges, so therefore the actual series diverges as well.